How to build a 12-month emergency fund, even on a $48,000 salary. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. Not for 2 weeks, not for a month, but for 6 months. Now ask yourself one question. How long could you keep paying your bills before panic sets in? Here's the surprising part. The person who's most financially prepared for that situation probably doesn't earn 6 figures. They don't drive a luxury SUV, they don't brag about stock portfolios. In many cases, they earn less than $50,000 a year. Today, I'll show you exactly how someone making around $48,000 can build a full 12-month emergency fund, and why the traditional advice of saving 3 to 6 months may no longer be enough in today's economy. Stay with me, because one strategy later in this video is the reason most emergency funds quietly disappear, even when people think they're doing everything right. The financial advice that's becoming outdated. For decades, we've all heard the same recommendation: save 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's repeated by financial books, podcasts, advisors, even YouTube. But here's what many people don't realize. That recommendation was never intended to guarantee financial security. It was designed as a minimum safety net. And today's economy looks very different than the one where that advice became popular. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average unemployment period is now over 22 weeks. Think about that. If your emergency fund lasts only 3 months, it may be empty before the average job search is even finished. And life rarely throws one problem at a time. A layoff often arrives with expensive health insurance. A transmission fails. A parent suddenly needs help. One emergency becomes 3. That's how people fall into debt. Why 12 months changes everything. Now let's flip the conversation. Imagine having enough cash to cover an entire year of essential expenses. Losing a job no longer forces you into the first offer that appears. You can negotiate, retrain, recover from illness, or simply breathe. That's what a 12-month emergency fund really buys. Not just money, freedom. The number is smaller than you think. Here's where most people give up before they even start. They assume they need to save an entire year's salary. That's not the goal. You only need enough to cover essential living expenses: housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance. For someone earning roughly $48,000 annually, those essentials often total about $1,800 per month. Multiply that by 12, your target becomes approximately $21,600. Still significant, but far less intimidating than saving your entire income. System 1. Put your money in the right place. Before you save another dollar, make sure your savings account is actually working for you. Many traditional banks still pay almost nothing in interest. Meanwhile, many high-yield savings accounts pay several percentage points more. The money remains federally insured. You still have access whenever you need it. The difference? Your emergency fund quietly earns hundreds of dollars every year while you sleep. That's free progress. System 2. Define an emergency before one happens. Here's the mistake that destroys countless emergency funds. People use them for things that aren't emergencies. A forgotten subscription renewal, holiday shopping, a friend's destination wedding. Those aren't emergencies, they're planning problems. Write this definition down. An emergency is an unexpected expense that directly threatens your health, housing, transportation, or ability to earn income. Everything else belongs in your regular budget. That one rule protects your savings more than almost anything else. System 3. The hidden account that saves your emergency fund. Most people only build one savings account. That's a mistake. Instead, create a second account for predictable expenses: car registration, holiday gifts, annual insurance premiums, dental visits. These bills aren't surprises. They're simply spread across the calendar. When they arrive, you won't need to touch your emergency fund. This single habit prevents thousands of dollars from quietly disappearing over time. System 4. Remove yourself from the process. Willpower isn't reliable. Automation is. Set up an automatic transfer every payday, even if it's only $250. Better yet, split it into 2 smaller transfers each month. You'll barely notice the money leaving your checking account, and because you never see it, you're far less likely to spend it. Successful savers don't rely on motivation, they rely on systems. System 5. Find one expense worth cutting forever. Don't slash your entire lifestyle. Find one meaningful expense. Call your insurance company. Compare rates. Cancel subscriptions you haven't used in months. Negotiate your internet bill. Many households uncover between $50 and $150 every month. That's money you never have to earn again. Direct every dollar of those savings straight into your emergency fund. System 6. Turn every windfall into acceleration. Here's the fastest way to reach your goal. Treat unexpected money differently. Tax refunds, work bonuses, birthday gifts, items you sell online, freelance income. Until your emergency fund is complete, every windfall goes directly into it. Most people spend these surprises. Financially secure people use them to buy freedom. Why this works. Notice something about every strategy we've discussed. None of them require a promotion. None require a second job. None depend on perfect discipline. They're systems, and systems beat motivation every single time. Final thought. More than 60% of Americans have less than 3 months of emergency savings. That means most families are only one unexpected event away from serious financial stress. You don't have to be one of them. Tonight, open a high-yield savings account. Transfer whatever you can, even $50, because financial peace doesn't begin when you've saved $21,000. It begins the moment you build the habit that eventually gets you there. If you're over 40 and want practical financial strategies that help you build lasting security, not chase quick riches, subscribe. Every week, we break down real-world money strategies that make life less stressful and retirement more